I have prepared this Word document with links to several Excel tutorials. These are not required for you to watch or use. This is only for information. If you need to look up some things or refresh your memory about what you know about Excel, or in the future, if you need to learn more about Excel and use it at your job, you're free to come back to this. So for each of these links, I'm going to take you through those websites. This is a site called Excel for Newbies or Noobs. Notice that at the top there are different areas that you can click on. At this website, one that is a video that's good is this one, Excel 2016 Tutorials for Beginners, and it's by noobs. So it's a 1 hour video if you want to watch it or skip through it and whatever. Another one is gcflearnfree.org website. You can come here and search for anything that you like to learn about. At this website, if you go and search for Excel, you will be taken to this area, and there are videos and tutorials. What's good about this is that if you click on one of the tutorials, if there is a workbook or practice book, it will be available to you, so you can click on it and download it and use it while you're watching the video. The other thing is this is a video from Learn It Anytime Corporation. They've shared a 2 hour video on Microsoft Excel 2016 for beginners, so you can watch that. I have that link in the MS Word file. Of course, Microsoft itself has some tutorials. And then my favorite is Excel is Fun YouTube channel. Here's the home. I will give you the link for the home, but you can search by videos, or you go to all the videos and then the playlists. On this page you can see the various playlists, and some of them have 35 or 53 videos or whatever. And the cool thing about this is that this guy has more than 3,000 videos, and he's very cool and animated as he speaks. He has a very energetic voice. And the thing is that with each of his videos you can click and download the actual Excel sheet that he's working with, and so there is more links and more information here for you to download. So I hope you found this helpful, and if you ever get a chance, visit this information and these sites to get better with Excel or to refresh your memory with Excel. All right.